Hello all, I'm Dr. Madhura, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. Today, I'll be teaching a topic on gradient of a scalar field. Definition: if phi of xyz is a differentiable scalar function, then the gradient of phi is defined as grad phi is equal to del phi given by dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou zk, where I, j, k are unit vectors and grad phi is a vector quantity. Let us note the following points. Del, the notation given by this, is a vector differentiable operator given by del is equal to dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk. We also note the point that grad phi divided by magnitude of grad phi is the unit normal vector to the given surface phi of x, y, z is equal to c. Let's do problem. Find grad phi at 2, 1, minus 1 given phi is equal to x square y minus 2xz plus 2y square z power 4. Let us first write down the formula for grad phi. Grad phi is given by dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou zk. Grad phi is equal to dou by dou x of, substituting the expression for phi, x square y minus 2xz plus 2y square z power 4 into I, plus dou by dou y of x square y minus 2xz plus 2y square z power 4 into j, plus dou by dou z of the same expression for phi, x square y minus 2xz plus 2y square z power 4 into k. Let's do the differentiation partially with respect to x, y and z. Dou by dou x stands for partial differentiation with respect to x. So with respect to x, y is a constant. Writing down y as it is. Differentiation of x square is 2x. The next term, 2z minus 2z is a constant. Writing as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. Plus 2y square z power 4 is the entire term constant with respect to x partially. So differentiation of a constant is 0 into I, plus second term is partial differentiation with respect to y. So with respect to y, differentiation of x square is a constant, writing as it is, differentiation of y is 1, minus 2xz is a constant when we are differentiating partially with respect to y. So differentiation of 2xz is 0, plus 2z power 4 is a constant. Differentiation of y square partially with respect to y is 2y. So 2 into 2 multiplying 4y z power 4 into j cap. Last term, we have to do partial differentiation with respect to z. First expression x square y is a constant with respect to z. So differentiation is 0. Minus 2x is a constant with respect to z, writing as it is. Differentiation of z is 1. So we get minus 2x into 1. Plus 2y square is a constant with respect to z. So writing as it is. Differentiation of z power 4 is 4z cube. So 4 into 2, 8y square z cube k cap. Now we need to find grad phi at the given point. The given point is 2, 1, minus 1. That is taking x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to minus 1. In the above expression, we get the substitution step as seen. Simplifying this, the answer for grad phi at the given point 2, 1, minus 1 is 6i plus 8j minus 12k. So this was a problem to know how to find out gradient of a scalar function phi. Next we will see a problem based on unit normal vector. Question: find the unit vector normal to the surface phi is equal to x y cube z square minus 4 at the point minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. Formula: unit normal vector is given by n cap is equal to grad phi divided by magnitude of grad phi. We'll denote it by equation 1. Consider the given phi x y cube z square minus 4. Formula for grad phi: dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou zk. Substituting phi, keeping the partial derivatives dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z as it is. Dou by dou x of phi. Phi is x y cube z square minus 4. Dou by dou y of phi x y cube z square minus 4 into j plus dou by dou z of phi. Phi is x y cube z square minus 4 into k. Differentiation partially with respect to x. Y cube z square is a constant. Writing as it is. Differentiation of x is 1 into I cap plus with respect to y, x z square is a constant. Writing x z square as it is. Differentiation of y cube is 3y square. 3y square into j cap plus with respect to z, xy cube is a constant. Writing xy cube as it is. Differentiation of z square is 2z into k cap. Each of these terms has a constant minus 4 whose differentiation is 0. Now, to evaluate grad phi at the given point, the given point is minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. That is, we take x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 2 in the above step, in the grad phi expression step to get the substitution step. And the answer for grad phi at the given point is minus 4i minus 12j plus 4k. Taking minus 4 common, we remain with I plus 3j minus k. Now magnitude of grad phi. Let us find magnitude of grad phi, which is given by square root of sum of the squares of the components. So first we have minus 4, a constant. So minus 4 whole square as it is. I component is 1, so 1 square plus j component is 3, so 3 square. K component is minus 1, so minus 1 the whole square. Summing up, we have under the root 16 into 11, which is 4 root 11. Substituting in the formula, that is equation 1. Equation 1 is grad phi divided by magnitude of grad phi. So substituting in that formula, we get n cap is equal to, the expression for grad phi is minus 4 into I plus 3j minus k divided by magnitude of grad phi is 4 root 11. So denominator 4 root 11. 4 get cancelled and the required answer for unit vector normal to the given surface is n cap is equal to minus of I plus 3j minus k divided by root 11. We'll see one more problem on finding unit vector normal to the given surface. Question: find the unit vector normal to the surface x square y plus y square z plus z square x is equal to phi at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. Formula: unit normal vector is given by n cap is equal to grad phi divided by magnitude of grad phi. Let us call this as equation 1. Consider the given scalar function as phi. That is, phi is equal to x square y plus y square z plus z square x minus phi. Let's find grad phi first. Formula for grad phi: dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou zk. Substitute for phi in each of these partial differentiation steps. So dou by dou x of phi is x square y plus y square z plus z square x minus phi into I cap. Similarly, dou by dou y of x square y plus y square z plus z square x minus phi into j cap. Last term, dou by dou z of x square y plus y square z plus z square x minus phi k cap. Let's do partial differentiation with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to z. Firstly, with respect to x, differentiation of x square y is a constant, write down as it is. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Y square z is entirely a constant when we do differentiation with respect to x partially. So differentiation of y square z is 0. Third term, z square is a constant, write down as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. Minus constant differentiation is 0. So whole thing into I cap. Plus second term, we need to differentiate partially with respect to y. With respect to y, x square is a constant, writing x square as it is. Differentiation of y is 1. Plus z is a constant, writing z as it is in the second term. Y square differentiation with respect to y is 2y. Last term, z square x minus phi is a constant when we differentiate partially with respect to y. So differentiation of a constant is 0 into j cap as it is. Plus, now we do partial differentiation with respect to z. X square y is a constant, so differentiation is 0. Plus y square as it is, differentiation of z with respect to z is 1. Plus x, writing as it is, differentiation of z square is 2z. Differentiation of a constant minus phi is 0 into k cap. Now we will find grad phi at the given point. 1, minus 1, 2. Substituting x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, and z is equal to 2 in the above expression. The substitution step is written here. The answer will be 2i minus 3j plus 5k. Now we find magnitude of grad phi. Magnitude of grad phi is given by square root of sum of the squares of the components. So I component is 2, that's why 2 square. J component is minus 3, so minus 3 whole square. K component is 5, so 5 square. Under the root, we get 38. We substitute grad phi and magnitude of grad phi in the formula for unit normal vector, which is equation 1. Substituting in equation 1, which is given by grad phi divided by magnitude of grad phi, the required answer for unit normal vector is n cap is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 5k, the whole divided by root 38. Thank you.